Here's problem 22 from the 2019 AMC 8. A store increased the original price of a shirt by a certain percent, and then decreased the new price by the same percent. The resulting price was 84% of the original price. By what percent was the price increased and decreased? The choices are 16, 20, 28, 36, and 40. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's call the percent P. Increasing by P% multiplies the price by 1 plus P over 100. Then decreasing by the same percent multiplies by 1 minus P over 100. Multiplying these together gives a difference of squares. 1 minus P over 100 squared. And we're told this equals 0.84. So P over 100 squared equals 1 minus 0.84. Which is 0.16. Taking the square root, P over 100 equals 0.4. So P equals 40. So the price was increased and decreased by 40%, which is choice E.